Come test drive the 2017 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, trip computer, clock, MP3 player, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.